Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cindy. Piper is my dog, and we are in Oregon on a 10-day road trip. These are some falls that one of the workers in one of the stores told me about. I wish you could see it a little bit better, like the bottom of it, but still pretty cool back here. Gonna try and get through there, but with how bad my hip is hurting, and I don't want to be climbing over stuff and all that. It's peaceful back here. I wish they'd trim those bushes though so you can see it better. Hi, honey girl. Hi, Pikey. My phone is only at 9%, so I'm not even sure that it's gonna make it very long. Come on, Pipes, let's find our way back up to the van and make some lunch. Probably gonna go check out an RV park and see what's close. Yeah, I just don't really want to do anything else today. Come on. Let's find our way back out. Oh, this uphill ain't gonna feel good, that's for sure. Yep. Oh. I hate it when there's different ways to go and oh man. Come on. Let's find our way back out, Pipes. Hi, honey girl. You're making kisses from Mama. I love you. This is her little, come here, camping bandana that I got at one of the stores. It's got like, what's it, by the campfire. It's got camp, just little flashlights and little camping things. And then on the other side is, hold on, Pipes, stop. It's got campfires and stuff on it. And then I stopped by, I'll have to show you, I stopped by Dutch Brothers and got a coffee because they're in Oregon, which is amazing because I had their coffee when I was in Missouri a few years ago, and they're amazing. I don't know if you could see them from here. No, just a little piece of it. Yeah, so they're really good. Lewis and Clark Expedition. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I went to Dutch Brothers and got a coffee, and they gave me a bandana for Piper. They said they got them when they were doing a promotion thing. Is that what it's called? For their company. And they got a bunch to hand out, so they had some left and they gave me one for Piper. But it's super cute. It says, there's a little dog bowl on it. It says Buddy, and it says, got the zoomies, and it says Dutch pup for Dutch brothers. It's super cute. Oh, my keys are in the way. I apparently am tired because that walk shouldn't have been that tiring. Pipes, we're going this way. Come on. Mama's hip can't handle much more today. Oh, that's for sure. It hurts like really bad with every step. Alright. Yay. And that, folks, concludes every plan we had made so far for this trip. Now, it's just whatever we find. I kind of want to type in Dutch Brothers and get me back to the coffee shop and see if they sell their coffee. Because that would be so good. Pipesies is falling asleep over there. We were going to hang out by the waterfall and just have lunch and stuff up here, but it's not really a place to park. I mean, to sit here for a while. So, I think we are just going to get moving. Let's turn some AC on because we're both so wiped out after walking across 2 beaches in the sand. And we walked in the deeper sand for most of it because, like, Piper will pull on the leash and bark at other dogs. And somebody today told me that's a protective thing, like she's trying to protect me from the other dog. I kind of always thought it was just, well, yeah, she wanted to show dominance, I guess, as we walk by or something. I don't know. But yeah, she always barks at other dogs, and she acts like she wants to attack them, but then they get close and they just sniff each other like she's harmless. So, I don't know. Have to do some research on that and figure out why she acts like that. But I don't know. Well, I don't know if I can't use Google Maps while I'm recording. Oh man. Oh, pipes. It's kind of a good feeling though, not to have anything else on the agenda and to just stop as we want to stop. Like, everything so far has been so planned out. Like, this was just added yesterday, the falls. It's kind of a bummer you can't see the whole thing without climbing over trees and all that stuff. I ain't doing all that. Especially not today. And, oh. Let me show you this bandana. Oh, let me turn that off for a minute. So it says Dutch pup and life is rough, rebel, team zoomies. I love that. And then Buddy. It's so cute. Little paw prints and cowboy boot. Oh, it says bad to the bone. That's adorable. Is that backwards for you guys? Probably. I don't know. Anyway, it's adorable. Oh, Pipesies. Yeah, you pretty cute. Here, let me see this one. Here's the one that I got her today with the campfires and all that stuff on there. Super cute. And then here's the other side. I think it's a little big for her, but that's okay. It's adorable. She's so cute. My van up front here, like the pillow in the middle for Piper is cleaned off, but this basket I have up front is definitely a collect-all. Oh yeah, here's the receipt from last night. Oh my gosh. It was 2 blocks away from the beach, right? And they called it a tent site. Absolutely ridiculous. For one night, it was $50 for one night, no hookups, just to park there. And it was a $5 pet fee. $55 flippin' dollars to sleep. And I got there at like 5:30 and left at 7:30 this morning. But I did that because I asked several people around town. I think I said this in the last video, but I asked several people around town for overnight parking. And they're like, don't just park anywhere because they'll knock on your door and make you leave at whatever time in the middle of the night. So my thought is, I am tired enough. I am not going to get woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning and then have to go find another spot. So I just dealt with it and paid that price because I knew it was only going to be one night. And then I would, be on my way. But now we come to this day. And we're done for the day. I have to go get gas and probably stop by Dutch Brothers because it's right on the way out of here anyway. And buy a bag of their coffee. And then after that, I don't know. I'll probably check out some RV parks around. Call around and see how much they are. But being close to this beach, I'm sure they're stupid priced. So I'm probably just going to have to drive for an hour or two. And then that's probably what I'll do. I'll stop at the first rest stop I'll get to. And we'll just camp there for the night. Because I don't want to pay. I don't want to pay to sleep again. That drives me crazy. Especially after last night. Dutch Brothers. Amazing. So good. And I'm pretty excited now that I know that they're in Oregon. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh, Pipesies? Oh my gosh, she is so wiped out and tired. I am too. My hip hasn't hurt this bad in a long time. And it hurts even worse now that I climbed that hill. But we're done. We're done and we have... What is this? Today's Friday? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We have 4 days to get home. Back to Montana. So, that'll be good. I'm glad it worked out that way, so I have just time to stop wherever I want. She's falling asleep. Oh, baby, you're falling asleep. Oh, so I missed the turn the original way, and then it took me another way. So I don't know which way it's going to take me out of here. And I don't want to guess because I don't want to get lost. Plus, I only have a quarter tank of gas, which it says I have 102 miles before it's empty, which is a ways, but still. I don't like it getting down to 1/4 of a tank. I'm gonna dump out this other. I didn't finish my coffee from yesterday. Tragedy, especially since it was a Dutch Brothers coffee. So we'll dump that one out, and I'll put that in the back. I got garbage bags for my toilet back there. We got food in the fridge. Yeah, I bought 2 shirts. Two shirts at Cannon Beach. 2 t-shirts, and then I always put something under my t-shirts, so. And then, yeah, other than that, I just bought a couple stickers. I think by the time we got to the shops at Seaside, that we were just so tuckered out we didn't even care anymore. Which there wasn't really anything I wanted anyway. The only thing I really wanted was that picture of me and Piper, which I kind of wish I did that, but I can't. $45 for one picture is, to me, a lot. Although when you think about it, when I see those kind of places, I don't always can't have Piper with me, so probably should have got it done, but I am not parking up there again and walking that whole long boulevard thing to go find that shop again. Not happening. We get some pretty special pictures anyway without that, don't we? We don't need to pay $45 for a special picture of us, do we? She gets so much attention from people just walking by, seeing how pretty she is and how well behaved she is, until a dog walks by. And then it's kind of chaos, but oh, I really need my haircut. It's been way too long. Who's that? Where are you going? Oh. So, here comes a big truck. Alright guys, well I'm going to end this one here. I'm going to type in some directions, get me back to Dutch Brothers and see if they have any coffee, and go get gas and get on the road for at least a couple hours. Go find a rest stop and just relax. As always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next video.